On the day of the Feast of Pentecost, the Holy Spirit came down as Jesus had promised. There are a few things to note about this spiritual manifestation. Firstly, in Mark's Gospel and in the book of Acts, the phenomenon is described as speaking in tongues, not praying in tongues. Jesus promised that his disciples would speak in new tongues. Secondly, the tongues were under the control of the Holy Spirit. Acts 2 verse 4 states that the disciples began to speak in other tongues as the Spirit gave them utterance. The disciples themselves contributed nothing to the experience. Thirdly, Jesus had said they would speak in new tongues, not unknown tongues. In the Acts account, Luke describes the tongues as other tongues, further going on to explain that the people outside who heard them speak could clearly hear and understand, each one of them, their own language. In other words, the tongues or languages being spoken were languages that were in daily use among the people, not unknown tongues or languages that no one could understand.